When the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really shown.
Hi guys, my name is Preeti. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some nice, lazy, voluminous curls. All you need is a hairspray, some hair clips, and a tongue machine, a hair curler. You can choose it as per the size of the curls that you want, and some elastic bands to hold your ponytail. So to begin with, I'm just going to brush my hands through my hair and just create a ponytail. Now guys, this does not have to be neat at all. I'm sure you guys can see the bumps and lumps in my hair, but that really doesn't matter. After all, we'll be having open hair in the end. So now you can split your ponytail into two parts and just clip on one side to make sure that it doesn't really come in your way. Now you can take smaller sections of your hair or thicker sections. The bigger the curls you want, the thicker sections you can take. I choose to take medium sections because I really don't want them to be too big, neither too small. So here I go, and this is how it's gonna look. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other corner as well, on the other side of my ponytail. And guys, there has to be no specific way or no specific angle that you need to curl the hair. It can be absolutely in any way that you want. It just has to heat up properly, and you need to hold your curls at least for 30 seconds to make sure that they last long. Now you can just hairspray them, leave it on for 5 minutes, and once you open, this is how you're gonna see it. A quick disclaimer guys, please ignore the lipstick under my nose. I didn't really notice that throughout the video, so I hope you guys don't get distracted with that. So here I am looking at my ponytail, and yeah, I know it kind of looks funny. I'm definitely never gonna go out like this, but yeah, just slide on the elastic band from your ponytail, and you will have something like this. You can again brush your fingers through your hair and just try and set it as you want. You can keep your hair on one side, you can keep it on both of your shoulders. For any strands which you think are not perfect, you can always take your curling iron and just give it a nice finish touch. But guys, this is how your hair is gonna turn out to be. I'm a big fan of lazy curls, so this is something that really works good for me and perfect. I hope you all like this look. Please guys, if you liked it, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that, and also hit the like button if you liked this video. I will come up with a new makeup tutorial in the next few days. Until then guys, thank you so much for watching, and loads of love to you all out there.